Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and it's a live stream, so that means we'll be doing coding challenges and stuff like that. As usual, I just woke up. But anyways, basically what I'm going to show you, what I have on my screen is this like new thing I was working on, Alex's coding resources. It's nothing fancy, it's just a page where I'm going to list just links to like all my resources in the categorical way. So if you go to resources, Alex, nope, resources.alexmercedcoder.com, and you'll get to this page. See, again, nothing fancy, but has links to all sorts of resources. And I'm not done with all of it yet, so as you can see, there's still a lot more links for me to add. But the idea is that, like, up till now, you can go to devnursery.com, you can find all my video playlists, you can go to my blog and find my blogs. But having both of them sort of organized by category, I hadn't had really a place for that yet. So here you can be like, okay, hey, let me go like a React, and let me find all the videos or video playlists and blogs that Alex has right there, all nice and organized to make it easier for you to find my content on a particular topic. Also, just a great resource for anyone in development who's just looking for quick reference sheets, tutorials, etc. So Alex's coding resources. Okay, so that's going to be building up over time, and you can find links to all the things here. Okay, so that's there. Off to codewars.com. Okie dokie. So 216. So let's go find some kata. Let's do a JavaScript one first. And let's stick to level 7 for now. Okay. Reverse words, your square, check for prime numbers. Reverse words. I think this is kind of like what I had trouble with in Rust, but let's do it in JavaScript. Should be a lot easier. So let's see here. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Okay, complete the function that accepts the string parameter and reverses each word in the string. All spaces in the string should be retained. Okay, pretty straightforward. So I don't even really need to go over the VS Code for this one. So basically I get the string, I want to split the string based on spaces, so that way we have each word in an array. Then I'm going to map over that array and take each item and return x dot reverse. I think I can just reverse a string. So that means to be like x dot split dot reverse dot join. Okay, and return that. Okay, and then that'll give us all the words in reverse, and then we join that back together based on spaces, and then we should be good. So let's see here. Test. Let's see here. Map unexpected token return. Oh, because yeah, don't need a return if there's no curly brackets. Okay. Oh, it's all joined by commas. Let's see here. Oh, I didn't pass anything to join over here. There we go. There we go. Huzzah. Okay, so let's go add that to the repo. So let me open a new window. Let's open the coding practices. So I have the JS one open. Daily code practice JS. Okay, new file. Reverse words. .js. Okay. And that's that. Now let's hit attempt. breakpoints. And there we go. Okay, let's see here. I don't know what the next one's going to be. I'd rather just pick one. So let's go back. Okay, so that's done. Split in parts. Let's try that. The aim of this class is to split a given string into different strings of equal size. Note, the size of the strings is passed to the method. The string into other strings of size 3. Okay. Okie dokie. So that works. Okay. So here's what I want to do. Okay, now the size of the strings is passed to the method part length of equal size. Okay. So let's do this. So what I'd like to do is this. I want to figure out how many times I'm going to have to loop. So what I'm going to do is first split the length of the or divide the length of the string. So x or loops const loops equals s dot length divided by part length. Okay, because that's how many strings I should end up having. Okay. Then I also going to want that string as an array, so const str array equals s dot split and split for each letter. Okay, then we're going to want a loop. And so for let x equals 0. Okay, as long as x is less than loops. And then for each round, just increment x. Okay, and essentially what I want to do in this scenario is I'm going to keep splicing a certain number of letters. So we're going to say for, actually I should probably make a new array, const result equals okay. So essentially what's going to happen is for each array, so if x equals, so that we check when it's the last loop because we don't have a space after the last one. Okay, so if x equals loops minus 1, because that would be the last loop, we'll do a thing, else do a thing. Okay. So let's try this. Okay, what we want to do is result dot push. In there, I want to push stir array dot splice starting from index 0 for the number of part length. That's how many items I want to remove. Okay, so we'll remove that many items. And again, if that's the case, then do nothing else. Then we also want to result stir r. So we think about that when we join it. Actually, that's all we really need to do. So I don't really need this, because if I keep parsing all that, then I'm going to have this array. So then I just do return result.join, and I just join it by a space, which would just put a space between each string. Let's try that out. Okay, pass that one. Hello, Kata. Okay, so we're forgetting to pass something. Split, join. Yeah, fragilistic. Why is that all comma? Should not be. So I'm splitting them based on an empty string. Okay, so let's do a couple of console logs. Console.log stir beforehand, and then I want a console.log result at the end. Yeah, that looks fine. Oh, I see. Okay, what I want to do is do a join here. Dot join to join that string, because it's going to put it in an array. Stir r dot slice part length yada yada. So let's try that out. Yep, there we go. Because basically what I'm doing is I'm taking that splice that I took out, which is really an array of items. I want to join it so that way each splice becomes a string in the result array. Okay, so there's another one. Okay, new file. Even words. Even words. Take the URL. Put that there. Again, saving all these solutions for posterity. Okay, and then we will hit attempt. And yay, I get answers. So more points. Awesome. So that is that for today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for more coding challenges. And again, I am also releasing a video every day at 9 a.m. So do check that out. That's every weekday at 9 a.m. A new video will release with some sort of tutorial, whatnot. I think today's the second half of the GraphQL one. So check that out. I'll see you all later. Have a great day and enjoy. And also make sure to head over to devnursery.com, join the Slack and Discord community. See y'all.